Today we're taking a look at Kosmic AI, a platform offering a built-in freelancer marketplace, AI-powered video creation, editing, and a project management suite. Do you want to hire top-notch creative freelancers for your next video project? Then check out the marketplace. Here you can browse through tons of freelance talent like video editors, designers, animators, and scriptwriters. Filter talent by rating, expertise, and availability until you find what you need. Then invite them directly to your project, or create a job post that includes required skills, deadlines, and any relevant files. If you're looking for work, you can open the freelance portal and browse job postings to find your next gig. It's a win-win-win. Agencies can scale their services without hiring in-house, businesses can work with top talent on any budget, and freelancers can make some extra money. Kosmic AI is offering a few deal tiers, but the VIP treatment starts when you upgrade to Tier 3. You'll get all kinds of sweet perks like crisp 4K quality, unlimited background removal, and 275 AI-generated scripts. I'm talking basic scripts and scene-by-scene storyboards. You can even record your own videos, audio, screen captures, and voiceovers using the built-in teleprompter, making it easy to nail your delivery in the first take. Plus, you can auto-adjust the aspect ratio for your camera in one click. But if you're short on time, Kosmic AI can generate videos with all the bells and whistles. Just give it a prompt, define the context, select your audience, choose the video and caption style, choose from 4 AI models, add an AI voiceover and AI effects, then hit generate. You'll be able to edit the storyboard or jump into the AI video editor to add your own clips, images, and audio. Kosmic AI comes loaded with stock elements, audio tracks, effects, transitions, and filters. You can even generate captions in one click. And if you want to complete major projects on time and within budget, then you're in luck. With Kosmic AI's project management tools, you can create and assign tasks, chat with collaborators in real time, and set up clear project milestones to keep everyone on schedule. If you upgrade to Tier 2, you'll get 10 gigabytes of cloud storage for all your project files. Kosmic AI is your key to pumping out high-quality videos, tutorials, courses, product demos, and any other content you need. All you gotta do is check the description box to grab your lifetime access today.